check it out. Some of the industries that we serve in the parcel conveyance will include cosmetics, food production, distribution, pharmaceuticals, manufacturing, beverage production, food production, many more. Conveyors can be such an important part of a business's overall operations. I thought I'd take a little bit of time to show you what we can all provide here at Axiom. Some of the pallet conveyors that we can provide include overhead, magnetic slide, roller, and drag chain. Some of the parcel conveyors that we can provide something similar to the wedge unit here. When you're looking to get material up to, say, the second floor, turns it out to be a great tool. In parcel conveyance, if you're trying to save floor space while changing elevations, the spiral here would be a great example of how to help out. Conveyors, floor space becomes extremely valuable. Here, you can take full advantage of what you have available. As well, if you're looking to turn your product 90 degrees, we have a solution for that too. Solutions need to work for the long-term goals of our clients, and in the end, the valued relationship that we build matters most. If you think there's some areas around your facility that could use improvements, get a hold of our team and let us get to work. Thanks everyone for taking the time to watch this month's Axiom Presents video.